To fix the issue of not being able to send and receive money with a person on Cash App, follow these steps. First, ensure that you and the other person have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your devices. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues and prevent transactions from going through. Next, check your internet connection to make sure it is stable and working properly. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent the Cash App from functioning correctly. Try restarting your internet router or switching to a different network if necessary. Then, verify that the recipient's Cash App account is active and in good standing. If their account is restricted or closed, you will not be able to send or receive money with them. The recipient should check their account status and resolve any issues before attempting to send or receive money. Another step is to check the recipient's phone number or email address associated with their Cash App account to ensure it is correct and up to date. If the information is incorrect, update it in the Cash App and try sending or receiving money again. Additionally, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your Cash App account to send money. If your account balance is low, add money to your account before attempting to send a payment. Also, be aware of any transaction limits that may be in place, such as daily or weekly limits on sending or receiving money. It is also important to check for any pending transactions that may be causing the issue. If there are any pending transactions, wait for them to clear before trying to send or receive money again. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Cash App on your device. This can help resolve any technical issues that may be preventing transactions from going through. Finally, if you are still having trouble sending or receiving money with a person on Cash App, contact Cash App support for further assistance. They can help you identify and resolve the issue, and provide additional guidance on using the app. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue and send and receive money with the person on Cash App.